2017 Dodge Ram 3.6 liter V6. Absolutely beautiful truck, as usual. Still got the stock converters right there and right there, still from the factory. Then it's got a factory Y into 3-inch single. We continued the 3-inch single, and then we took the resonator out also. We did a muffler delete and a resonator delete. And then we put a 6-inch tip out the side right there. Complete that look. And that's what we cut off. That's the resonator. That's the muffler. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 117. Whoa! Gotta back it up. Gotta back it up. 117, dog. That's loud. I don't think you should tame this beast. Just leave it alone. Keep it like this. It sounds really good. Big horn. Go ahead. Really pretty. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you hear it on the inside. Dodge Ram 1500. Go big or go home. That's why we'd like 5 and 6-inch tips and 7 and 8. Wow, that is loud. I like it.